West Nashville, sunny, 88. Winchester, mostly sunny, 84. Elsewhere in Tennessee, Chattanooga, partly sunny, 89. Jackson, partly sunny, 84. Knoxville, a thunderstorm, 74. Memphis, partly sunny, 80. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 403, effective until 8 p.m. Central Daylight Time. This watch includes the following counties in Tennessee: Cheatham, Davidson, Dixon, Macon, Maury, Montgomery, Robertson, Rutherford, Smith, Sumner, Trousdale, Williamson, and Wilson. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watched area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
We're about to go up.
Southeastern Stewart County in Middle Tennessee, northwestern Cheatham County in Middle Tennessee, Houston County in Middle Tennessee, northeastern Humphreys County in Middle Tennessee. Central Daylight Time. A severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles northeast of Aaron, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour.
It's 97.1.
Stewart County in Middle Tennessee, northwestern Cheatham County in Middle Tennessee, Houston County in Middle Tennessee, northeastern Humphreys County in Middle Tennessee, until 3 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 2:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles northeast of Aaron, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roof, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Clarksville, Aaron, Tennessee Ridge, Van Lear, Cumberland City, Sladen, Stephen Dam, Palmyra, Cunningham, and Woodlawn. This includes Interstate 24 between mile markers 1 and 11. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.